Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can add layers in AutoCAD. Let's start. For creating layers, we have to click on Layer Properties, and after that, Layer Properties Manager box will open here. To create a new layer, we have to click here on Add Layers. Click this one. The new layer is added here. Give the name. I will give the name dimension. Enter, and I will change the color. Okay, now I will close the layer property manager. Now I will put these dimensions under the layer just now which I created. First select the dimension. Now click here and the select layer dimensions. Press escape. So these dimensions are now the part of the dimension layer. Let's say I don't want show the dimension. I will click on layer properties and I simply turn off the layer. Click this bulb button, the dimension gone. It will not show on the AutoCAD screen. When you press on, you can see the dimension. Let's say you want to create a new layer for this text. Click on add layer, give the name, I give text, change the color. I will close the layer property manager. This time I will select the text, and here I will select the layer text. Now this text is the part of text layer. Same way, click here and click on text, freeze. The text will not show. So in this way you guys can add the layer and put your existing lines or whatever it is in the layer. Then you can freeze or turn off, up to you only. Simply if you want to delete, right click here, click on delete layer, the layer will be deleted. You guys can lock the layer also. Click on lock the layer will not be deleted. So in this way we can add or delete the layer in AutoCAD.